2 balls and no strikes. Taylor leads from first. Jeffress delivers. Fly ball to left. It's on its way, and it is gone! A home run for Justin Turner! When they needed a home run the most, they turned to Turner. A 2-run shot, and the Dodgers take a 4-3 lead.
And this crowd is stunned. That trip around the diamond, gladly, sponsored by Daniel's Jewelers. And after every home run, go to any one of the 100+ Daniel's Jewelers locations and receive a free $50 gift card when you mention Boys in Blue. Daniel's Jewelers, they've been making diamond dreams come true since 1948. Charlie been trying to throw Justin Turner up in the strike zone in each of the first 2 games up until that at bat. They tried to sneak one inside on the corner about thigh high, and Turner hit it out of the ballpark.
Well, the Dodgers with the lead.
2-0. High drive into left, back at the wall. The Dodgers are on top. Justin Turner, after a frustrating night last night, goes deep to give LA a 4-3 lead.
Well, Turner finally got the one pitch he has not seen in 2 days, and right in the sweet spot.
And the pitch. Turner sends one in the air to left and deep and way back, and this one is gone. And the Dodgers have the lead. They are late bloomers in this series. Brewers hung on to win game 1 6-5, and now Justin Turner, after an infield base hit by Chris Taylor, takes Jeffress out of here, and it's 4-3 Dodgers.